In this video, we break down the complex world of virtual private network, or VPNs, into simple, easy-to-understand terms even a fifth grader would understand. Imagine the internet is a big highway system, and when you use your computer, tablet, or phone to access a website, you're taking a car, your data, on a trip from your house, your device, to a destination, the website. Normally, this trip is pretty open. Other cars on the highway can see who you are and where you're going. Your Internet Service Provider, or ISP, the entity that maintains the highway, can also track your movements. Moreover, people with bad intention might be lurking around, trying to follow you or interfere with your trip. Now, imagine if you could make this journey in a magic, invisible tunnel that takes you directly from your house to your destination, hiding you from all those prying eyes. This tunnel would make your trip private and secure, even if your destination is far away. This is what a virtual private network, or VPN, does. A VPN is like a secure, invisible tunnel for your data to travel through, keeping it safe from snoopers and providing privacy because others can't see where you're going or what you're doing. It also allows you to appear as if you're traveling from somewhere else, which can be useful if a specific website or service is not available in your real location. That's a simple, non-technical explanation of what a VPN is. It provides privacy, security, and freedom on the internet. Let's dig a little deeper into the technical side of VPNs in a way that's still easy to understand. A VPN, or virtual private network, is a service that creates a direct, encrypted connection from a device to another network over the internet. Encryption. This is like turning your data into a secret code. If anyone intercepts the data while it's traveling, all they see is a jumble of characters that doesn't make sense because they don't have the key to decode it. Only the VPN server has the key to decode this data, which adds a layer of security. Server network. When you use a VPN, you're connecting to a server that could be located anywhere in the world. The VPN server then accesses the internet on your behalf. This is what makes it seem like your data is coming from the server's location, not your own. If the server is in another country, it could make it appear as if you're browsing from that country, which can be useful for accessing region-restricted content. IP address masking. Every device connected to the internet has a unique IP address, which can be used to identify your location and potentially other information about you. When you connect to a VPN, it masks your IP address with its own. This means that to anyone looking, it seems as if the VPN server's IP address is actually yours. Tunneling. When you send data over the internet, it often passes through many different servers before reaching its destination. Each of these points is a place where the data could potentially be intercepted. But when you're using a VPN, it creates a tunnel that directly connects your device and the VPN server. This means the data doesn't have to pass through a bunch of different points, reducing the chances of it being intercepted. In essence, a VPN's main roles are to protect your data through encryption, maintain your privacy by masking your IP address, and increase your online freedom by letting you connect to servers all around the world. Hope you enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments what other concepts you want me to explain in simple terms like this.